Is your Mazda 3 failing to launch Apple CarPlay, leaving you stuck with the factory screen? Statistically, most connectivity issues are simple software glitches or cable failures that you can fix in minutes. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your phone talking to your dash again. Start by swapping your cable for a genuine Apple cord and performing a hard reset on your infotainment system. Debris in your charging port or an outdated iOS version are frequent, yet overlooked, causes of communication failure. If it still won't connect, try removing the phone from the Mazda settings and pairing it fresh as a new device. Most issues are resolved at home, but if the USB port itself is physically damaged, you will need a professional repair. While a cable is cheap, a faulty USB hub or head unit can get expensive quickly at a dealer. For advanced troubleshooting, inspect the USB port pins for damage and verify your vehicle firmware is current. Keep a small toolkit handy with compressed air to clear out your charging ports before assuming the hardware is broken. Remember, technology is only as reliable as the connection between those 2 points, so always check your cable first. If these steps fixed your CarPlay, let us know in the comments and subscribe for more Mazda maintenance tips.